Love presents itself in so many ways. It can be difficult to describe the bond between human and horse because it really transcends words. As we prepare for each ride, the most important thing in our mind is our horse's health and safety. Are we playing our part in this remarkable relationship? We want to go to sleep every night knowing that we did everything in our power to preserve this special bond. Piranha Animal Health, for the love of the horse.
If you're serious about your horse's health, whether you're riding dressage, show jumping, western, or racing thoroughbreds, there are two names you need to remember. Beamer, an independent Beamer representative, Ian Robb. Trusted by high performers at every level, Beamer's equine line is scientifically designed to improve microcirculation, reduce muscular back pain, and promote faster recovery after exercise or injury. Beamer delivers more than a cutting-edge product. They bring a commitment to education, support, and real results. But this isn't a magic button, it's a system. And Ian Robb can make sure you get the most out of Beamer, and support doesn't stop after the sale. He offers personalized coaching, ongoing mentorship, and a true partnership in your horse's wellness journey. Real results need real support. Based at the World Equestrian Center in Ocala, Florida, Ian Robb is your go-to expert for Beamer's proven technology for both horse and human. Here's how to make it work for you. Call independent Beamer representative Ian Robb today, or scan the QR code on your screen to learn more. If it's horse health, it's Beamer.